Hi everyone! So I'm Amanda Markle, and I recently had my first one-on-one class with Jamie Muffett, and I wanted to give a quick shout out and share my experience with anyone who's thinking about reaching out to him too, because I totally think you should. I was at a place in my own voiceover journey where I was familiar with Jamie from his podcast, VO School Podcast, but I needed a little bit more guidance. I didn't know what next steps were the right next steps. So I reached out to Jamie, and that's where he came in. He was able to meet me where I was without judgment or any of that yucky stuff. You know, we talked about my background, where I've been, what my experience is, what my current setup is, and we broke down the expectations of the voiceover industry, expectations that I had of myself, and the goals that I had. Now that's a lot to take in, right? And trying to figure all that out. So talking with Jamie and meeting with him, he was able to coach me kind of on my path on what steps I need to take. Reaching out to Jamie was a great decision I made for myself, and I can't imagine anyone would think any differently. He is a valuable resource that we have in the voiceover industry, and I highly recommend you all check him out. He's great. So good luck to you all, and thank you, Jamie, for all that you do. Bye.